Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail and you already know that it's appetizer time because sports is in full effect. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bacon cheeseburger queso dip. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. This one is easy, really simple. To me, it's not a lot of ingredients, but we're gonna run through it real quick. But it's a great dip for game day or just for any type of get together. This is a nice appetizer. Back here we have our ground beef, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, crumbled bacon, onion powder, black pepper, milk, cream cheese, salt, some taco seasoning, garlic powder, and sour cream. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get into it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do to get started is brown our ground beef. And we're gonna get this crumbled up and cooked all the way through until it's brown. All right, so now that our beef is brown, we're gonna pause our heat real quick. We're gonna drain the fat off of it and we're gonna come back. All right, so now we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add our taco seasoning, our black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and our salt. And we're just going to get this stirred up or stirred in to combine it, maybe for about a minute or so. All right, so now that we have it all mixed like we want it, we're gonna pause our heat. We're gonna remove our beef. All right, so now we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add our sour cream. Our cream cheese. And we're gonna allow this to melt, and we're gonna do this over a low heat. As the cream cheese melts, we're gonna add our sour cream and our milk. Looks like a little piece of cheese went in there. We ain't ready for the cheese yet. We're gonna slowly but surely add our cheeses. We're gonna start off with our cheddar cheese. Gonna add a little of that mozzarella too. And once our cheese is melted and the mixture is smooth, we're gonna go back in with our ground beef. And we're gonna get that mixed in here. And we're gonna come behind that with our bacon also. Once you get it fully incorporated, you want to hit it with a little salt and dash it with a little pepper. And move that around real quick. Turn off your heat. Guys, we are good right here, man. Take a look at that. All right, let's head over to our cutting board, get into our final presentation, and that way we can jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Bacon cheeseburger queso dip. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control to do a quick taste test. All right, so y'all already know it's quality control, man. Take a look at I'm bringing the whole pan up here. Yeah, shut up. I'm bringing the whole pan. All right, man. Oh, man. Whew. Listen, man. This baby's so cheesy-y. Y'all know. Sour creamy-y. So I'm gonna put this down right quick. You want that on game day. You definitely need something to put on the table with them wings, and that's one of them. So guys, definitely add this to your appetizers to-do list. And until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. Remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Oh, it's peace.